So hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Glenn and today we're looking at some coins and how much you can buy them for. So on my channel I like to make videos about world coins and show you things you can discover and also prices and also other things with the coin collecting market. So the first coin I got is a 1944 Cypress One Piester. And as you can see, it's scallop shaped. You don't see too many scallop shaped coins, but this one has a mintage of 3.24 million. In this condition, you're probably paying about $5. These coins are not too common. Cyprus coins, because of the population, was under 100,000 at the time. The coin mintages are quite low, especially for the pre-decimal coins. And that's why I don't have too many. There's only a few others that I have. So I've got a 2 shillings, and this is really hard to get. Then I have a half a piester and 1 piester in copper nickel. This one was issued during the Second World War, so they took out the nickel from the actual coins and replaced it with more copper. So that's why it is a bronze coin. So this one has a value of about $5 in that condition. I would say it's probably very fine condition. If you want a higher grade, you're going to be paying a lot more money. But that is a coin that I do like. Okay, and then we got some really good coins. So these ones are from Lebanon. So this one is a 5 piasters. So that's in French and it has a line. That's why I like it. And this one was, let's say, minted in 1955. Has a mintage of about 3 million from memory. Could be wrong. Could be 5 million. But this one's uncirculated. And on the back we have Arabic. Pretty much the same. And this one has the Lebanon cedar. So that's the emblem of Lebanon. So you can see it on the flag as well in the coat of arms. This one has a mintage we don't know. There is no mintage figures. And these cost about $10 each in uncirculated grade. If it's circulated, you'll be paying a bit less money. But I quite like that coin. And another one I like from Lebanon. So this one is not a common coin. It's only 300,000 minted. It's in copper nickel or nickel, one of those two. And it's a coin I've been wanting to get for a while. So in this condition, as you can see, it's a bit worn. You're talking about $20 on the obverse. So this is the front of the coin. You can see it has the Lebanon cedar in 1968. So this was the first 1 lira, so livre, £1 in English, that was issued in circulation. It wasn't silver. In 1970s, they issued a different coin, not as good as this. So this one is actually quite hard to come by. And I'm quite happy to get this. Usually, I like to resell coins, but this one is going into the collection. So that's a good one to get if you're interested in Lebanese coins, which I am. Then we have a silver, well, nearly silver. Most of it's copper. This is 10% silver. That's why it looks whitish. 1966 Mexico Peso. And this one has a mintage of 31 million. So this is a very common coin. So if you want to stack silver, this is the coin to get. And on the reverse, we have Jose Morales. So he's on all the 1 peso coins issued up until the redenomination in 1994. 10% silver, so that means it's 1.6 grams of silver. So this coin is 16 grams. And with $1 equaling 1 gram of silver, so this has a silver per value of $1.60. And pretty much in this condition, you'll probably be paying about $15. In lower grades, you know, like very fine, you're probably paying $8. So this is 34.5, 2.3 millimeters, and not a rare coin to get in Australia. There's actually quite a few around. And the last one Here's an aluminium coin, but it's a coin series that I quite like. This is Cambodia. And they issued these coins first in 1953. And this one's 1959, so it's a lower mintage than the other coins. And this completes my collection of this series, 1959. I don't have it in 1953. They seem to be harder to get than the 59s. And these are expensive, even though they're aluminium. We're talking probably at least $10 to $20 per coin. And these are uncirculated. So I'll do another series on them. But this one I got for $5. You can get them for $5 if you wait and look around. But, you know, you generally, most of the time, you're paying at least $20 for one of these coins. And this one has a ceremonial cup with the Om symbol at the top. So the Om symbol is that going around. It's like a horseshoe, and there are rays coming out. So it's nice. You can see there come a script going around. And on this side just has the denomination. Also denomination in Khmer as well. Royaume du Cambodia. They changed English from French. So that's a nice coin series. I got two of those. I guess I just forget sometimes. The other one come in a packet like this. So, as you can see, this is from the 60s or 70s. You could purchase them for 60 cents at that time. So if it's 1960s, we're talking about $6 to $8 now. So obviously, the price of these coins have increased a lot more than inflation. And this is the coin from the series. Looks okay on this side. It has some corrosion around the edges. But if you turn it over, this is where the glue or gum or whatever it was, you have a lot of corrosion around here. And I presume this is the what's left of the gum that was on the actual coin. So these ones you need to be careful. I do have a few, and it looks like the gum in the long term actually damages the coins. So oh yeah, I've got a few here, got a few more. So yeah, you can see, I don't want to see the other side of this coin. You can see it actually damages the actual aluminium coins, and you can see there, and it's because it's left an imprint. That means it's probably done something to the coin on the other side, but you need to rip it open to actually have a look. So I'm not too sure who actually issued these, but in the long term these are not good. So if you get one, my advice would be probably to rip it out, because yeah, you can see it's even eating the paper. So that must have some type of acid in it. Anyway, I hope this helps you with your coin collecting, with some values and some coins, and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you very much, and goodbye.